Pier UK, a specialist in vacuum excavation services, has teamed up with Totalkare to upgrade its Merseyside workshop with advanced lifting and brake testing equipment. Totalkare's T8DC cable-free mobile column lifts bring flexibility and convenience to the workshop. Each column can handle up to 7,500 kilograms, and with 2 sets of 4, Pier UK can lift vehicles weighing up to 60,000 kilograms. The cable-free design helps maintain a safer, tidier workspace, while the system ensures smooth, coordinated lifting. The TK90 mobile brake tester has been installed in a fixed outdoor location at Pier UK. With an axle load capacity of up to 16,000 kilograms, it supports a variety of vehicles. Its compact design makes it easy to use both indoors and outdoors, and the included tablet allows one-person operation, saving time and streamlining brake checks. By introducing these tools from Totalkare, Pier UK has created a safer and more efficient workshop, keeping their vehicles ready for the demands of their work.